Tom Sale here, Director of the Center for Contaminant Hydrology. This is a video on capping a high TDS plume with fresh water. The work was done by Nolan Platt and Mitch Olson at Colorado State University. The video was then reproduced by Emma Schmidt in 2022 with this voiceover. What you're seeing here is a 2-meter sand tank, about a quarter of a meter high, and Nolan is introducing a green, low-density, low-total dissolved solids water over a plume of high TDS water. And it's interesting, the fresh water spreads across the sand tank, forming a cap. And the idea here was to study the potential to cap plumes that were contributing vapors to the vadose zone by capping them with a lower density water. So you can see that the low density water spreads, and there's really very little mixing between the fresh water on top and the low density water on the bottom. So the video goes on, and it's interesting. Another set of experiments that aren't shown here was that if you pump the high TDS water from underneath here, the fresh water actually then creates a downward cone, and you can actually increase the thickness of fresh water over the high TDS water by pumping some of the high TDS water from underneath. So this is the classic problem of seawater intrusion or freshwater intrusion into aquifers, and just points out the importance of density differences in fluids and how they affect flow, and limited mixing between contaminants transversely.